So buy 10 rental houses before you're 30 years old. If you can buy 10 rental houses before you're 30 and you own those 10 rental houses at the age of 30 and you don't buy another piece of real estate for the next 25 years, when you're 55, more than likely, all of those properties are going to be paid for. And if, let's just say you still have a balance on all 10 because you put them on 30-year notes, you can sell off more than likely 2 or 3 and pay the rest off. So now you're sitting there with 7 homes paid for that you have tenants in and you have cash flow coming in every month. So think about that. If you literally had 7 rental properties making you $2,000 a month, that's $14,000 a month. That's called financial freedom.
The man you just listened to is called Wayne Turner, and he is a successful real estate broker. And as you just heard, his easy tip to get rich is to just buy 10 houses before you are 30. But what he is forgetting is that people with an average income around the world are struggling to save up the down payment for just one house. And while techniques like cash out refinance might have worked when he was young, finding real estate that cash flows without a huge down payment is getting very rare without going to extreme measures.